In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to use in your HubSpot content. This process is essential for integrating your necessary documents, images, or any other media into HubSpot and utilizing them effectively within your content creation or management activities. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and comprehensively. First, let's start by navigating to the HubSpot platform. We'll need to visit the trial guide page on HubSpot. This area provides you access to various tools and resources tailored for trial users. But for our purposes today, we're focusing on the Files section. If you're logged in already, great. If not, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account to proceed without any hitches. Once you're on your trial guide, look for the Files tab. It should be fairly straightforward to locate. HubSpot's interface is designed to be intuitive, which means you'll likely see this option prominently displayed among the menu items. By clicking on Files, you'll be taken to an area where you can manage all your content uploads. Think of this section as your backstage where all your vital resources are stored, ready to be placed into your content effortlessly. Now, once you're in the Files section, it's time to take action. You'll find an option labeled Upload Files. This is perhaps the most crucial part of today's task and serves as the gateway for bringing your documents and media onto the HubSpot environment. Click on Upload Files, and a window will open allowing you to select your desired files from your device. When you select Upload Files, you'll typically see a dialog box like a file picker window where you can navigate through your computer's folders. Here, find the file or files you want to upload. They might be images for your blog, PDFs, or any standard media type supported by HubSpot. Select these files and confirm your selection. Depending on the size and number of files, they may take a moment to upload fully, so give it a second and avoid navigating away from the page. It's important to remember that once your files are uploaded, they become part of your HubSpot ecosystem, ready to be used across various parts of your content creation and management. You can access these uploaded files anytime in the future through the same Files section. And there you have it. Your files are now successfully uploaded into HubSpot. This will make your workflow smoother as all your essential content is centralized in one accessible location. Keep this habit whenever you're planning new content pieces. Having everything on HubSpot can significantly streamline your processes. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video helps you make the most out of HubSpot's robust capabilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and guides.